What's up, everybody? It's your girl Toni, and welcome to Get Snatched. So, y'all see my shirt I got on today. Get over it. Let me go that way. I had to get over it. No, but basically, ladies, we just completed week 6. I can't. I just can't. So, the issues that I was having this week was really staying totally motivated. I got my steps in for the most part. I did miss a day or two of my exercise, but I always try to make it up the next day and do it a little longer or whatever. And I had to get back on track with my sleep patterns. As I told y'all before, I switched around my day because I'm a night owl, so I am still eating in the daytime and still I got out of my eating window a couple of times, but for the most part I'm sticking to it, and I cannot believe I really stuck to it really well so far. Now, I'm not going to weigh myself until the end of, after we've completed week 8. So that's where I want to really make sure I've done some damage and not gained anything back. So I'm going to hit it this week because today I had a cheat meal. I have not had no fried chicken in a minute, and I just had to have a couple of little chicken wings. I did the drumettes and the flats. So basically, I cut back on it, and I did air fry them. So that is helpful. I do have an air fryer, and there's so much you can cook in that thing. I'm going on to YouTube to look up some more recipes. I know I've cooked Brussels sprouts in the air fryer before that were excellent. So that's what I think I'm going to do this week. Look and see what kind of vegetables or something that I can cook in there just to give it a little different taste, because I've pretty much been eating the same stuff and it's okay. But this week I'm gonna get over it and go ahead and try some new little recipes as well as new ways of cooking them, because sometimes that's all you need. Even if you're eating the same thing, if you cook it with a different spice, a different way, it can seem different. But I'm not bored though, because as I said, I've been using my little Eat This Much app that's listed below, and they really come up with some good simple recipes. So I'm gonna try this. They had an omelet with pears or so, I don't know, but I think I'm gonna try it just to see, because you never know. You gotta try different stuff to see how you'll react to it. But I am so proud of myself. I'm so proud of you guys sticking to it. We can do this, and we're gonna get all this stuff in our system really well for the holidays. Now, I'm gonna tell you right now, Thanksgiving Day, I eat what the hell I want. One day out the year ain't gonna kill me. Okay, so if I know I'm gonna eat up thou on Thanksgiving, then a few days before I'm gonna cut back and eat light. Like yesterday, I only ate one meal. I usually try to eat 2, but I only ate 1 yesterday because I knew I was gonna hit them wings up today. See, that's just it. If you do a little give and take and know what you're gonna do and kind of prepare for it, you all good. Because at the end of the day, it's kind of like how much of a deficit over the week have you made. Okay, so some days you might do a little more, then back it back out another day, and it'll kind of even itself out. Also on Christmas, baby, I'm gonna cook and eat good on Christmas Day. And the thing about Christmas is when I bake, I'm a bake like I always do, but what I always have done is I give a majority of it away. I buy some fancy little cellophane like bags, and I give people fresh home baked cookies. So I'll keep some, but I pretty much give most of all of them away. So then therefore I get my Christmas ritual out the way. I've given some nice gifts, and I treat myself. So, 2 days out the year, I'm not worried about it. I'm going to do what I got to do. So, as I said, this week, I think this week's goal coming into week 7 is to kind of revamp some of how I've been cooking. So this means I haven't used any oil, grease in a minute to cook some food. So now that I pulled out this air fryer, I'm going to use it to fix some vegetables in, to try to give it a different kind of baked like taste. And I love Brussels sprouts that way. And you get some good seasoning on them, honey, I tear them up. Also, what I'm going to change up this week is, as I said, I wanted to do more core stuff this past week, which I didn't really do. So this week, I'm going to dedicate myself to incorporating a core exercise part of my daily exercise. So I'm going to be bumping it up a little more. So I'm really trying to go 30 minutes a day now. I was doing 15, 20, whatever. Now this week, I'm going to really hit the 30-minute mark, because especially if I add the core exercises. And I did add a core exercise plan in our workout videos, and I think I'm gonna find a couple more. So I try to put different levels of videos in there. Mostly are beginner videos, but some of them are strenuous enough, so even if you're in shape, you can do them and still get a good workout and get a nice little sweat on. And that's what I am working on. So I've got to bump it up now, ladies, to 30 minutes a day, and I can really tell I feel like I've lost. So either some fat that moved around from one place to another, but it's progress. And the fact that I've said this is a year-long process, it's a life change, I'm not so stressed. And the other thing that I think has really, really, really been helpful is the fact that I've been listening every night to the theta wave music that I've put in the mind spirit part of the site here, of the group here, that deals with affirmations, positive affirmations, as subliminal messages. So I can totally tell, because it's like I totally I don't have cravings. I'm not as hungry as I was, the whole nine. I really think they are working, and so I'm going to continue to use them, because what I bought me some it's like a band, but it's actually it has a Bluetooth stereo, so you got 2 little stereo speakers on your ear. So when you put the band on, I can use it when I'm going to sleep in the daytime, so I can pull it down over my eyes, so it can be kind of knocking out any sunlight, which now is starting to get darker earlier, so I'm not so much in the light when I go to bed now. But so you can use it that way, or just use it as a regular headband with the speakers in your ear, so I can listen to that. And I even found one, it's like ocean waves. I love to go to sleep by that. So I found by using those, I think it's really helping me. And then by listening to that when I sleep, it just totally calms me down, and I am like so stress free, it's not even funny. And that means I'm getting better sleep, better rest, which also helps in your weight loss. You can't lose weight and you stressed out and sleepy and crazy all the time, because that's why all my weight is in the middle here, is that cortisol from being stressed out over the years. And that's why I got this truck tire, but I am getting rid of that heifer by hook or crook. And so I am feeling so good. I'm taking all my supplements. Oh, and I also added a probiotic to my regimen now. So I'm taking elderberry, probiotic, all my medication. I take calcium, I take cranberry pills to make sure my urinary tract stays clean, because as you get older, that tends to be a problem. And I'm even also taking a vitamin D because I've changed my sleeping habits. So everything's coming together, people. I'm feeling good. Now, I don't have no makeup on today. Sorry, didn't feel like it. Sorry, I just put a little lipstick on. But I am doing the damn thing. I feel really good. And the more confidence you get in yourself, the more of a routine this becomes. It's like the easier it gets. So I hope all is going well with you guys. I also put up a post this week about Juice Plus, and I am getting ready to start taking that, where it is a fruit and a vegetable. They take the juice of 10 to 12 fruits and then 10 to 12 vegetables. They are all non-GMO, they're organic, and they make a juice, and then they take the juice and powder it and put it in capsules. So you take 2 fruits and 2 vegetables every day. So that means you get all of your nutrients for the day that you would have gotten if you had eaten the proper amount of fruit and vegetables. So I know before my energy went through the roof. So I'm getting ready to order those, and let me know if you're interested. They are really good. This stuff has been around 30 years, because I know I took it years and years and years ago. So it's still around. So I think that means it's still good stuff, and people have confidence in it, and there are no bad side effects and nothing crazy. So I'll put another link below under this video as well. So you all keep it going. Go ahead and keep posting in here whatever you like. Send me some questions or anything you like for me to address in the next video. So we getting ready to start week 7. I'll see y'all next time.